Let's move on to the second category of questions we'll see now. Okay, and that is there'll be n number of people. They'll be all working with different rates, different rates or different efficiencies. Let's see how. Anant and Biswa can complete a piece of work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. Find the time taken to complete the piece of work when they work together. Okay. Now there are many people out there that say कि हाँ 20 days में A काम खत्म करता है, 30 days में B काम खत्म करता है, 20 plus 30 50 days लगेगा. Nonsense. Okay. See, you are not adding the time for which they'll work. Okay. You have to add their efficiencies. Okay. अगर अनंत अकेला 20 दिन में काम करता है, बिस्वा अकेला 30 दिन में काम करता है, when they work together, they will require less than 20 days to complete the piece of work. Common sense, right, guys? So don't fall for this trap. Okay. Now, as I said, we'll be adding the efficiencies, right? So if I say Anant and Biswa, they do the work in 20 and 30 days respectively, let's find out the work done per day. Okay. So Anant does 20 days mein work, matlab ek din mein he does 1/20th of the work. Similarly, Biswa will do 1/30th of the work. Okay. So daily what work will do? The addition of these two, right? Okay. 20 and 30, the efficiency is 60. So you can write 3/60 plus 2/60, these numbers, just add them, you get 5/60, which is 1/12. So working together, they will complete 1/12 of the work in one day, right? So पूरा काम खत्म होने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? 12 दिन, 12 days, right? 12 times, isn't it? So time taken will be nothing but 12 days, okay? This is called as the unitary or the reciprocal method to solve the question, okay? Now we'll see one more approach to solve the same question here, okay? We'll be doing the exact same thing, okay? Just that, we'll be having a different terminology, a different way of, naming things up. So Anant and Biswa, they complete the work in 20 and 30 days respectively. Okay. We start by taking the LCM of 20 and 30, which is 60 units. Okay. And this is your total work. Always remember, whenever we are solving these questions, we are finding out the LCM, and that LCM will be the total work done. So 20 and 30, the LCM will be 60 units. Okay. अब देखो, total work 60 units है. ये 60 units Anant completes in 20 days. So Anant एक दिन में कितना काम करेगा? 60 divided by 20, isn't it? That is 3 units per day. In the same way, Biswa will complete 60 upon 30, which is 2 units per day. Okay. Anant 3 units per day करता है, Biswa 2 units per day करता है. जब दोनों साथ में काम करेंगे तो 3 plus 2, 5 units of work करेंगे, right? So the total work done is 5 units per day. 5 units के रेट से आपको काम करना है. कितना काम करना है? 60 units. तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? 60 divided by 5. The work divided by the efficiency, which is nothing but 12 days. Okay. This is called as the LCM approach to solve the same question. Okay. A and B can complete a piece of work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. They work at it for 8 days, after which A left. Find the time taken by B alone to complete the piece of work. Okay. So what I will do is, I will first try to find out the LCM of A and B. I'm solving by the LCM method first. So A takes 20 days and B takes 30 days to complete the piece of work. Their LCM is 60 units. So A ने कितना काम किया? 3 units per day. And B ने कितना काम किया? 2 units per day. Okay. Now they work at it for 8 days, right? मतलब 8 days में A और B दोनों ने काम किया है. So total work is 3 plus 2, which is 5 units per day. ऐसा 8 days तक काम हुआ है. So total work done कितना हो गया? 40 units. Total work done करना कितना है? 60 units, right? उसमें से 40 units आपने complete कर दिया है. So 20 units of work will remain. अभी work कौन करेगा? Okay, A is leaving, right? A is left. So find the time taken by B alone. B alone का rate कितना है काम करने का? 2 units per day. 2 units per day के रेट से काम करना है. कितना काम करना है? 20 units. So how much time will you take? 20 upon 2, 10 days. Okay. We'll go on to the next approach to solve the same question. You can also use the reciprocal or the unitary method to solve the same question. Okay. See, it is given that they worked for 8 days, right? After which A left. इसका मतलब A ने 8 days तक तो काम किया होगा, right? If A is working for 20 days, daily he completes 1/20th of the work. 8 days में कितना काम कर लेगा? 8 into this, right? If you solve 4 cancel हो जाएगा, 2/5. ओके, 2/5 वर्क किसने किया है? A ने किया है. तो बचा हुआ काम कौन करेगा? 1 minus 2/5, इट्स बेसिकली 3/5. 3/5 वर्क कौन करेगा? B करेगा, राइट? पूरा काम करने के लिए B takes 30 days. ओके, सो 3/5 काम करने के लिए B will take how much time? 3/5 multiplied by 30, 5 1 5 6, which is 18 days. ओके, उसमें से 8 days दोनों ने साथ में काम किया है. ओके, रिमेनिंग कितना है? 10 days जो B ने अकेले काम किया है, राइट? So you can also solve the same question using the unitary method or the reciprocal method. Okay, let's see one more. Okay, same thing. A and B complete a piece of work in 20 and 30 days respectively. A works alone for 6 days, and after which B joins. Find the time taken to complete the piece of work. Okay, now we have already found out the LCM wala method here. LCM wala हम already ऊपर solve कर चुके हैं. Okay, this part here, this we'll use now. Okay, A works alone for 6 days. A का efficiency is 3 units per day. उसने अकेला 6 days काम किया. The work done is 18 units. Okay, what is the remaining work? The remaining work is 60 minus 18 जो कि 42 है. अब 42 यूनिट्स का ये वर्क दोनों साथ में करेंगे, राइट? बी इज जॉइनिंग हिम, राइट? तो अब 42 यूनिट्स का वर्क कौन करेगा? ए और बी साथ में. सो टोटल एफिशिएंसी इज 3 plus 2, right? Which is 5 units. 42 upon 5 is 8.4 days. Or if you reduce this into mixed fractions, 8 2 by 5. 8 days and 2/5 of a day, basically. Okay. So let's solve the same question by the reciprocal approach. Okay. A does the same work in 20 days, right? So A will complete 1 by 20th of the work daily, right? So if A completes 1 by 20th of the work daily, what is the work it will complete in 6 days into 6, right? So ये हो जाएगा 3 by 10. Okay. 3/10 of work basically A ने किया है, right? है ना? तो बचा हुआ वर्क कितना है? बचा हुआ वर्क है 7 by 10, right? Okay. Now we figured out from the previous question. Okay. When they work together, they complete 1 by 12th of the work daily, right? 1 by 12th of the work daily they complete. Complete अब कितना करना है? 7 by 10th. So how much time will they take? The total target work 7 by 10 divided by 1 by 12th. So 7 by 10 divided by 1 by 12 is nothing but 7 by 10 multiplied by 12. Okay. Division means multiplication with the reciprocal, right? So this 84 upon 10 वापस 8.4 days. Okay. Same question, same answer with a slightly different approach. Okay. Whichever suits you. All right. So let's go on to the next question now. Chetan and Derek can complete a piece of work together in 15 days. If Chetan alone completes the work in 25 days, find the time taken by Derek alone to complete the same piece of work. Now, for these questions, I simply prefer the reciprocal approach. Why? देखो दोनों साथ में कितना दिन काम करते हैं? 15 days. So every day they will complete 1 by 15th of the work, right? Every day. Okay. And Chetan alone completes the work in 25 days. So Chetan alone will complete 1 by 25th of the work daily, right? Okay. Total work 1 by 15th हो रहा है daily. Chetan alone does 1 by 25th. So what is the work that Derek alone does? This minus this, right? Okay. So you can cross multiply or you can take the LCM. I'll take the LCM. 5 by 75 minus 3 by 75. This gives me 2 by 75. Or basically they complete 2 by 75th work every day. So time कितना लगेगा? 75 by 2. 37.5 days. The same thing you can try with the LCM approach also. Chetan, Derek and Chetan and Derek together. Okay, Chetan and Derek together complete 15 days में work. Chetan alone does the work in 25 days. Derek कितना time में करेगा वो find करना है, right? Okay. Okay, we take the LCM 75. Okay, C. Okay, C does 25 days में 75 units of work. So C का efficiency कितना हुआ? 75 upon 25, 3 units. Okay, C and D complete 15 units में same work. The efficiency कितना हो गया? 5 units. Now guys, C और D का combined efficiency कितना है? 5. C alone is 3. तो 5 minus 3 कितना बचा? 2. 2 is the efficiency for D, right? Okay, 2 के रेट से काम करेंगे. कितना काम करेंगे? 75. So how much time will they take? 75 by 2. 37.5 days. Same. Ed and Eddie can individually complete a piece of work in 15, 20 and 30 days respectively. If they start and complete the same piece of work together and are paid rupees 1,08,000, then find their individual shares. If you know this tune, you are blessed. Okay, so yeah, let's understand. If Ed and Eddie start working together, okay, we'll find out their efficiencies. Okay, 15, 20 and 30. The LCM will be 60 units. तो इसका efficiency हो गया 4, इसका हो गया 3 और इसका हो गया 2 units, right? अब now guys, when they work together, let's say they will work together for the same amount of time and complete it. इसका efficiency अगर 4 है, इसने t days तक काम किया, the work he will do is 4 into t. इसने अगर t days तक काम किया, इसने वर्क कितना किया? 3 into t. इसने अगर t days तक काम किया, इसने कितना वर्क किया? 2 into t. जो जितना वर्क करेगा उसको उतना पैसा मिलेगा, right? So total work is in the ratio of 4t is to 3t is to 2t, cancelling out the t throughout. The total share, the total money they will divide, it is as good as the ratio of their efficiencies, right? So you can remember this guys always. जब भी share वाला question आता है, it's as simple as that. You have to find out the ratio of their efficiencies and उसी ratio में you will divide the total profit. Okay, तो 1,08,000 को हम लोग तीनों से डिवाइड करेंगे 4, 3 and 2. If you remember ratios, 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. That corresponds to 1,08,000. So every 1 point is 12,000. 12 4 ये हो गया 48,000. 12 3 ये हो गया 36,000. 12 2 ये हो गया 24,000. Okay, so this is the total distribution. and this is their individual share. Anand can build a chair in 10 hours, which Biswa can break in 12 hours. If they start working together, in how much time will the chair be built? So if they start working together, in how much time will the chair be built? Okay. Now, why is the question so confident that the chair will be built? I mean, one person is building a chair and the other is destroying a chair, right? But if you observe carefully, the one who builds the chair, Anant, can build the chair in 10 hours. Okay. And the one who can destroy or break the chair, that person takes 12 hours. So the one who is building the chair is more efficient, right? So effectively, the chair will be built. Okay. Now, how can we find out the time taken for the chair to be built? Okay, A and B, these two people. Okay, A takes 10 hours to build the chair. Okay, B takes 12 hours to break it. Okay, we start with the same thing. We studied previously. We take the LCM, that is 60. 60 units का work करना है, कितना time लगेगा? 10 hours for A. So what is the efficiency of A? 60 divided by 10 plus 6. Now B will destroy 60 units in 12 hours. So 60 upon 12, 5 with a minus sign. Why? Because it is destroying. He's destroying, right? So whenever there is destructive work being performed, okay, always take the efficiency as negative. All right. So 6 units का काम कर रहा है A, okay, every hour, and minus 5 का work कर रहा है B. Okay, what is the effective efficiency? 6 minus 5, which is plus 1 units per hour. Plus 1 units के rate से work हो रहा है, कितना work करना है? 60 units. So time taken is 60 divided by 1, which is nothing but 60 hours. Okay, people don't perform a destructive work generally, right? Unless and otherwise they're negatively motivated. But yeah, what we have discussed right now, the case of negative efficiency can be observed in case of pipes and cisterns. Okay, pipes are pipes, cisterns means tanks, something like this. Okay, so a cistern, a typical cistern will consist of two types of pipes. One is the inlet or the filling pipe, and the other is the drain or the outlet pipe. Okay, the inlet is like Anand in the previous question, who is doing positive work, and the outlet is like Biswa in the previous question, who does negative work. Okay, so always remember, whenever you have inlet pipes, you have positive work, and in case of outlet or drain pipes, the work done is negative. Okay, we'll take one example exactly like the one we solved. An inlet can fill a tank in 10 hours, which the outlet can empty in 12 hours. If we start working together, in how much time will the tank be filled? The answer is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. What we did in the previous question, same thing, right? Okay, 10 12 का LCM लिया था 60. Efficiency here is plus 6, here it's minus 5. Effective efficiency is plus 1. Plus 1 के रेट से काम होना है, कितना काम होना है? 60 unit. You can also do this reciprocally. Okay, so this will be 6 by 60 minus 5 by 60 equals 1 by 60th of the work is done every hour. So what is the total time taken? It's reciprocal, 60 hours.